Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the Semrush affiliate program. So among others, I'm going to talk about how much money can you make with the Semrush affiliate program, what kind of affiliate commissions they have, how you can join the Semrush affiliate program, and what are the best ways to promote the Semrush affiliate program. So they have a dedicated landing page from the Semrush affiliate program. I will link it in the description below. And right here, the top information they provide is that you can get 200 USD when someone clicks on your affiliate links and they purchase a Semrush subscription. And not only that, but you can also get 10 USD, so $10, when someone signs up for a Semrush free trial. By the way, I am also an affiliate, so if you want to try out Semrush, you can get my free trial link in the description below, and you're gonna be able to start using Semrush for free. I'm gonna talk about how to promote Semrush in the second half of the video. You can promote it effectively if you know how to use it, and if you know how to use it, you can share with others how to use Semrush, and that's the best way to promote any kind of product. And you're going to be able to make some money from the Semrush affiliate program. As you can see, it's really easy calculation. If you want to make like $1,000 from the Semrush affiliate program, you have to refer 5 customers per month, which is not a lot of customers. However, keep in mind that there are some other SEO affiliate programs that have recurring affiliate commissions, and in this case you will not get any kind of recurring commissions from the Semrush affiliate program, so keep this in mind. Some other info about the Semrush affiliate program: they use a last click attribution model, so if someone clicks on your link and checks out Semrush but doesn't purchase a Semrush subscription and clicks on another affiliate link later, then you will not get the affiliate commission because your click was the first click in the customer journey. Alright, so if you want to join the Semrush affiliate program, I will link this link in the description below. You can click on join now here, and basically you have to sign up using the Impact affiliate platform. I have already joined. It's a really easy process. So all you have to do is click on the sign up button here, answer some basic questions and accept their contract terms. And if you have a website or a social media account that is very popular, you're gonna be able to join the Semrush affiliate program. And how to promote it, let's talk about that. There are 2 main ways how I would promote Semrush, and I'm promoting Semrush. So the first one is to make content about Semrush, so Semrush specifically. And what kind of videos you can make, you can go to semrush.com. Then under keyword research, select keyword magic tool. And here we're going to be able to do keyword research for Semrush. So for instance, all I did here is to add the Semrush keyword here and click on search, and it will list out all the Semrush keywords people are searching for all around the world and in the US. And you can see here some keywords that you could make content about. So for instance, Href versus Semrush, and of course you could compare Href's features and Semrush features, their pricing and all of that stuff. And you could not only make YouTube videos about this, but you can also create blog posts, short form video content, and any other media that people are consuming. And you could add your Semrush affiliate link here, and hopefully people would be purchasing Semrush via your affiliate link, and you could start making some money. And there are many more ways how you can find good keywords that you can target with your blog posts or with your YouTube videos. So if you want to learn more about Semrush, check out my other video tutorials where I show you how to use Semrush. And if you want to start using Semrush, you can check out this free trial link in the description below.